I'm Stefan, I'm the CTO of Easyfairs Group. So Easyfairs is an international company organizing trade shows and managing exhibition venues. We organize about 110 trade shows across Europe, North America and North Africa, and we manage 8 exhibition venues.
One of the benefits of working with NORRIQ is that they're used to implement ERP systems. For us now in 2025, they already had the experience within Easyfairs because it was the second time. So the roadmap and the ability to implement an ERP in a time frame of, let's say, 6 months, based on their experience, like organizing UAT sessions, defining the rollout schedule, going on site with us, was definitely one of the major benefits of working with NORRIQ.
The familiar faces of using the same people to implement every time. They know the business, they know my team, they know what we do, we know them. We have a trust relationship, and so it's always easier to work with people you've been working on this with since years.
Implementing a new system is not easy. Online training is not always easy to do and to monitor. So together with NORRIQ, we went on every single location within the Easyfairs group to assist the end users. Luckily to NORRIQ's partnership with local consulting agencies, I could rely on NORRIQ as one single point of contact, and then NORRIQ could rely on local specialties and knowledge, like for instance Italy, Spain, UK.
So we like working with NORRIQ on a long-term basis because we know the company, they know us, they know our business. The international presence makes it easy for us because we are everywhere across Europe and we have a lot of large deployments, so yeah, if it's not broken, we don't want to fix it.